with Chief Meteorologist Jamie Warner.
Well, the light snow is falling outside here in the Springfield area. Really many areas along and north of Highway 60 now beginning to find light snow or have seen light snow over the last few hours, enough for a dusting in many locations. And when all is said and done, looks like a lot of spots will see between a dusting and a half an inch. It'll be a very similar snowfall event to what we experienced this past Friday. Now, temperatures, take a look at where they stand right now. It's already down to 16 in Lake Ozark, 15 in Rolla. Here in Springfield, 21 degrees. The temperature trend's pretty amazing. It wasn't that bad this afternoon. We got into the middle and upper 30s. It wasn't that bad through about 6 o'clock. Then the Arctic front goes through, and we go from 34 at 6 o'clock to 24 at 8 o'clock, and now down to 21 degrees. So areas to the south where it's still not too hard to take outside, still maybe in the low to mid 30s. The cold's coming, and here's some things to remember with that cold that's moving in, this dangerous cold that we're going to find by morning. You've got to dress in layers and not just put the coat on. You got to put the hat on. You got to put the scarf on. You got to cover your ears, cover your face, and cover your hands. Have some warm gloves. Also, limit the time that you spend outdoors, and as we always tell you, make sure your pets have adequate shelter during this very, very cold stretch of weather that we're going to find through the day on Wednesday. Also, one more thing. If you're going to be doing some traveling later tonight or into the morning hours tomorrow especially, make sure that you have that extra coat in the car, maybe an extra blanket in the car, just in case you have car trouble, because oftentimes this kind of weather brings out the worst in vehicles. Temperatures up to the north, even colder. You can see the impacts of this polar vortex, which has swung down out of Canada. Right now looking at readings in the minus 20 to minus 30 degree range across Minnesota. You factor in the wind, we've got wind chills which are approaching 60 degrees below zero. So as bad as it's going to be here locally, it's a whole lot worse to the north and northeast. Now, again, overnight tonight, we're not only watching those temperatures dip, we're watching that band of light snowfall, which is coming in on the backside of that Arctic front. The Arctic front will continue to slide south, and it looks like that band of light snow will also gradually drop south into at least north-central parts of Arkansas later on tonight. And our hour-by-hour forecast shows that nicely. Even though we're not expecting a large amount of snowfall, it'll be enough, again, to kind of coat the ground out there with either a dusting, maybe as much as a half an inch. We'll wake up to mostly cloudy skies tomorrow. The clouds will try to thin out in the afternoon, at least over southwest Missouri and northwest Arkansas. But to the north and east, another wave of light snow will likely move in. Areas from, say, Clinton through Warsaw, down through, say, Vienna and Rolla. This is going to be the area could see a stripe of light snow, which could accumulate to a dusting to a half an inch tomorrow afternoon. Overnight tonight, temperatures will continue to slide. Looks like a low tomorrow of minus 4 in Rolla, 4 degrees here in Springfield, 9 in Branson. And here's where I think the snow may fall overnight tonight. Much of southern Missouri into north central Arkansas. Again, not a lot of snow, a dusting to a half an inch. Wind chills tomorrow when you're waking up around minus 12 in Springfield, as low as minus 20 though tomorrow morning in Rolla, with temperatures warming here in Springfield throughout the morning hours into the middle and upper teens during the afternoon. Looks like a high near 18. Warmer readings to the west and south. Coldest readings to the north and northeast. Looks like about 10 for a high in Rolla, where again we could see a little light snow tomorrow, a dusting to a half an inch, a possibility. Here's the good news. The warmth, which will be moving back in short order. Looks like highs in the 40s on Thursday. Friday looks like a rather cloudy day with patchy drizzle possible. Still highs in the upper 40s. Saturday and Sunday, mostly cloudy days with highs near 60 on Saturday and into the low 60s on Sunday. We'll see a chance for a few showers Sunday, and then a little cooler behind a cold front into early next week.
Well, getting back to the cold for a second, some school districts around the area are actually, calling off school tomorrow due to that bitter cold, and you can see those school closings at the bottom of your screen.
And again, I would urge, parents, if you've got some time in the morning, if your kids do have to go to school, maybe wait out at the bus stop with them, let them sit in the car until the bus comes by.
Got to be careful tomorrow. Viewers Club number, Jamie.
Number tonight, 231-070, and our jackpot at $600.
All right, Jamie, thank you.